Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl M, and I'm back with another video. Sorry, this is super shaky. I'm using my phone right now because I did not bring my camera because I don't know why. But your girl is in Vegas for a conference, but I came 2 days early with my friends just to enjoy the Vegas life and whatever, and decided to stay at the Cosmopolitan because it was one of our favorite hotels that we stayed in before. So we picked this hotel. All right, y'all, so I got upgraded to the executive suite. So this is the powder room in here, which is pretty nice. I mean, to have a powder room in a hotel room, that's dope. This is the main bathroom, 2 sinks, just me, but whatever. And then there's some cute little cubbies here. The toilet room, shower. It's not as big as the other one. Well, the other one had 2 shower heads, but this one is like a really big like rain shower head, which is nice. I like the tile and everything. And then when you come into the main room, there's a lovely dining table here. So if you have like a group of friends or whatever that were staying, this would be cute to hang out, just to like have dinner or just drinks or whatever. And then there is a little bar area here, which is nice. They stocked it up pretty nicely. A desk if you are coming for work, and a cute little seating area. It's not as big as the other one, but I mean, it's just me, so perfectly fine. And I love that this is like a sliding door, so you get that privacy. So maybe like if you had someone here like sharing the room with you, then you at least have like a separation, so it's your own space. And then you have the king size bed, which is lovely. It looks like it's super comfortable, so I'm really excited to like knock out and take a nap. But y'all, let's talk about this view. I still get the view of the pool, which is amazing. People are out right now, and y'all, it's like 110 degrees. So I was thinking about getting a balcony, but ain't nobody staying outside. I am not standing outside for no reason. So yeah, this is the room. Very cute, the Cosmopolitan. I just showed you around the room, which is amazing. I got upgraded to a executive suite, and oh, let's find a light. I got upgraded to the executive suite because I did like the room that I had before, which was like one of their versions of like a standard room. All right, y'all, so welcome to the Cosmo. This is like one of the standard suites, I think. Look at this double vanity. This bathroom is beautiful. The shower looks literally brand new. Look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. I cannot wait to take a shower in the toilet room. Even. They have a little bar here, which is really nice. And a mirror, yes, for selfie pics. This is the outfit that I wore on the plane. Okay, look at this seating area, like huge. Has a TV here. It's basically like a studio apartment, bigger than a studio apartment in New York. The closet is here. I don't never hang my stuff, but I don't know, I'm feeling like I may want to hang my stuff up. And this is the view. They do have options if you want a balcony, but I'm only here for a couple of days, and then I'm heading to another hotel for a conference, so I figured let's not break the bank. But look at this view, it's amazing. I think this is one of the quiet pools or the party pool. Cannot remember, but can't wait to kind of go downstairs and explore. But there was like something going on in the bathroom. I was not feeling it. So y'all, let me sit down for this. Y'all, if you see something in your hotel room that you do not like, you are 100% able to complain, or at least share this feedback with the people at the hotel, because at the end of the day, you are paying this money and you deserve for it to go right. So 100% let them know if you ever have like something that's just not okay with the room, so they can accommodate you and fix it. So this room is definitely a lot more than what I was originally charged. So I did get that value, as well as a little credit to be able to charge to my room for the inconvenience, because I had to kind of like basically wasted some time in the room trying to get this resolved when I could have been out, living my best life. But yes, that is what's going on. Here for 2 fun days, and then the rest of the week is for work related things that will not be recorded. But yeah, I will keep y'all abreast about what's going on, if that's the right word. I think it is. But I'll keep y'all in the know about what's going on. We just had lunch, which I kind of recorded. If anything, check out M's Everyday Eats. I'll probably just do like a little montage at the end of the week of all like the fun foodie things that I did. But yeah, we're just gonna be chilling. It's just like really relaxing before the conference. When, I don't know for anyone else, I'm working tech, and when you go to these big conferences, it can kind of get overwhelming, and I find it really nice to be able to like do a few things outside of the work that we're gonna have to do, and just like chill, relax, get ready, get in the right mindset for it, because it's a lot of networking, it's a lot of people, and you just have to kind of be on all the time. So it's nice to just kind of not have to think about that before going into it. So hopefully I'm not too close. I will be using a something to stabilize this. So yeah, so let me stop this now.
Don't be so quick to walk away.